In other breaking news tonight, Governor Gavin Newsom's former chief of staff has just been indicted on 23 counts of federal crimes, including fraud and tax crimes.
Dana Williamson had her first court appearance this afternoon following her arrest. ABC 10's Jeannie Nguyen is live outside the federal courthouse in downtown Sacramento tonight and saw Williamson in court. Jeannie, what's the latest?
Chris and Laura, Dana Williamson was still in custody as she appeared before a judge this afternoon. She was emotional, even appearing to cry at a certain point. She did plead not guilty and has since been released from custody. Now, about an hour ago, we did catch up with her as she was leaving this courtroom behind me here. Here's what she had to say about the charges filed against her. And her attorney, Matthew Rowan, didn't have any additional comment for us tonight. Williamson was arraigned at 2 this afternoon and walked into the courtroom with an oversized gray sweater, glasses, hair in a bun, and handcuffs. Judge Carolyn Delaney read her charges, which include conspiracy to commit bank and wire fraud, obstructing justice, false tax returns, and making false statements. Williamson is accused of being involved in a scheme involving former Health Secretary Xavier Becerra's campaign money. The accusation also involves Becerra's former chief of staff, Sean McCluskie. The indictment says Williamson created false contracts, false tax returns that claimed more than $1 million in business deductions for what was actually personal expenses that include private jet travel, stays at luxury hotels, home decor, and designer handbags. Court documents say all of this happened between February 2022 and September 2024. Now tonight, Becerra's team confirms to ABC1 that he is public official 1 in the now unsealed indictment in this case. He is currently running for governor and is California's former attorney general. In a statement, Becerra is calling this a gut punch, saying in part, "I have voluntarily cooperated with the U.S. Department of Justice in their investigation and will continue to do so. As California's former attorney general, I fully comprehend the importance of allowing this investigation and legal process to run its course through our justice system." A spokesperson for Governor Gavin Newsom tells ABC 10 that Williamson no longer serves the administration and he expects all public servants to uphold the highest standards of integrity. The governor's office adds that this is a time when the president is openly asking his attorney general to investigate his political enemies, and it's the American principle of being innocent until proven guilty. Live in Sacramento, Jeannie Nguyen, ABC 10.
Okay, again, this is the breaking news we're following throughout the evening. Stay with us for updates as we learn more. Jeannie, thank you.